Whoa. Hi guys. This feels weird. This feels wrong. Today I'm really excited. I'm coming at you with no makeup, but we are doing an unboxing and I'm gonna be drinking some gingerbread liqueur. It's so gross. I need to lighten up. I haven't been in front of the camera in a while, or just like done a sit down video. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing today. I have so many things from Colourpop, from Morphe, from Ipsy, from Truly, and I just wanna show you guys what I got, and let's just get started with the video. So we're gonna start off with Colourpop. They sent over the Yoda collection. This is super exciting. It's like the Yoda, Baby Yoda Mandalorian collection. And here's the palettes. So this is the palette, number one. I think this is last year's collaboration, but this is the palette. It's super cute, it's tiny, and I love how it has colors that you can use, like neutrals that you can use all the time. So I really like this palette, it's super cute. And then they sent over, I think the new one, this is the Mandalorian one, and these are more cute colors. This is super cute, it kind of matches my beanie, and it's like more neutrals, fall vibes, rustic, foresty, possibly. Super cute. I like this palette too. And this is the packaging. This is the packaging. Then they sent over the mirror, the Baby Yoda mirror. And then they sent over a baggie where I could put all my cute, and the little key thing is a frog. That's so cute. And then I'm gonna put all of my goodies in here because it fits. They sent over the Yoda Lip Gloss. I already touched the other one, but this is Grogu. And it's just a clear shimmery lip gloss. Do you think the actors, like, do you think the Mandalorian, like the actor knows that there is a makeup collaboration of his character? Do you guys think they know that? Like, comment down below, because I would like to know. Like, do you think Chris Pratt knows that there's a ride of him, of his character at Disneyland? Next package, I haven't opened, but this one is from Colourpop, and we're gonna open it together, and I'm really excited. First and foremost, let the good times roll. I myself love good times, so I definitely will let them roll. And the packaging is super cute. It looks like Mardi Gras. It looks like Great Gatsby vibes. It looks like New Year's vibes. Oh, I saw this on their Instagram. Let's see what it looks like inside. I think it's their new palette. My sister and I always fight for like the Colourpop stuff that they send me. This is not one of them. This is not one of the things I'm gonna give her. This is the palette. It's the perfect holiday palette. I love neutrals. Neutrals are the way to go. Oh, hi. This is a gorgeous palette and it has perfect colors for New Year's Eve, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. And let me tell you why. These really nice browns are good for Thanksgiving, and then Christmas, you know, you want to change it up a little bit. You want to, you know, make it a little more glam. So then you add darker tones. But then for New Year's Eve, since it's all about glitter, you want shimmer. So there's the shimmery colors, and I think this is the perfect New Year's Eve palette. Comment down below if you want some reels and TikToks of me using this palette, because I'm so down. Next package. I got a package. I already opened it. Sorry. Tripod. Who wants to fund a new tripod? Because this thing is so flimsy. I've had it since I was 16 years old. I got the Buns of Glory Smooth Butt Polish and Tightening and Glowing. I've heard about this. I've seen it on TikTok. I'm so excited. I'm gonna leave my discount code at the bottom, guys. You guys need to get on this. And then I got, these are literally like my Starbucks orders. I got the Matcha Scrub, and then I got the Pumpkin Spice Plumping Polish. This one smells really good. We got a holiday box from Colourpop. Colourpop. Colores brillantes. Colores flamantes. Rudolph. It smells in here. It smells good. Why does it smell good? Okay, you would even say it glows. Hi. I got Rudolph ears. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put these on right now. Aw, cute. I love me some accessories. I think you're cute. There's always tomorrow. Lippy pencil. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I haven't had a Luxe lipstick in so long. Oh, this color is so cute. It's like a really It's a really nice nude, and then a lip liner. You know, I get a lot of Colourpop collaborations and I never want to give it away. I keep it for so long. It's I have like a collection. I can't, like Powerpuff Girls, like Lizzie McGuire, like this looks like a red. They have a dark red. This is so cute. Lip glosses. It's like a pinky, a peachy, and a clear. We have lippy scrubs and lip masks. Ornamentos. Okay, this is probably what smells good. It's the Soul Body Shimmer. Let's see what color this is. I love the packaging. This is very camp of Colourpop. Ay. Ooh, super cute. Shimmer. Ooh, this would be great nose contour shimmer. One day Stargirl is gonna collab with Colourpop. I'm saying it, I'm manifesting it, I'm praying on it, like it's gonna happen. This palette is everything, guys. Never mind, I love this palette if you're more of a neutral gal, but these are your holiday colors. I love this palette and I'm not giving it to anyone. This palette is staying with me. Okay, so I threw away that drink. It wasn't the bee's knees, like it really wasn't. It was too strong. It literally tasted like you were eating a candle. Like I felt like I was Nature Lab sent some fun stuff. So they're a hair product company. I don't really use a lot of hair products just because I'm nervous. I'm allergic to hair dye, so I get scared with using stuff like this. But they sent over their leave-in conditioner. They sent over some texture cream for curly hair and for wavy hair. And let me tell you guys this. I use the one for the wavy hair. I use a little bit because I get a little scared. And that thing leaves my hair looking like. And then they sent over some shampoos and conditioners. I like how they make them look like potions. Isn't this cute? It literally looks like a potion. All right guys, so that is it for my unboxing. It was a lot of fun. I'm excited for you guys to see all these products on my Instagram, my TikTok, and all my socials. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for staying with me because I know I haven't been posting quite frequently and I'm really sorry about that, but I'm really grateful for all of you. And I will continue to update you guys with my wedding plans and just everything in general. I love you guys so much.